Hi, I'm Bob Kevin. Thanks for tuning in to this motherfucking house. Now, if you're anything like me, and you're 40 years old, you still live at home, then you, like myself, probably have somewhere in your house, probably in the garage, what is known as a piece of shit water softener. Your piece of shit water softener is probably a Kenmore, which is sold through Sears. Piece is probably misspelled, but shit is not. So you get the point. Now, why is this water softener a piece of shit, you ask? Well, no soft water, soap won't lather, scum on the tea, standing water in the fucking brine tank, ruined fucking water heater with fucking brine sediment. Replaced it, 2 years, no problem. Ruined another fucking water heater. Same fucking water softener, same fucking problem. Something's gotta fucking give, okay? It's a piece of fucking shit. You know what I'm saying? Sears should pay for my fucking 2 water heaters and this fucking piece of shit. And all the fucking salt that I've thrown. I've fucking vacuumed more salt out of this fucking thing than I have poured in the motherfucker and took fucking baths and washed my fucking boxers. Alright? Now let me tell you. First and foremost, there's the Venturi. Muy importante. Here's the fucking diagram. This is how it goes apart, goes back together. You got to disassemble this whole motherfucker, okay? Clean it. Next, motor. Disassemble. Clean it. Armor all the gaskets. Make sure you fucking put a fucking orientation mark on it before you take it apart. Now, here's the fucking problem. This is a piece of shit, okay? All it has is like slots in the bottom. That's supposed to keep the fucking salt. Where's my goddamn flashlight? Okay? If one fucking piece of salt gets down in this tube, then this valve sticks. That's why you get standing water. Muy importante. Keep salt out of this fucking thing. Make sure the lid's on it when you pour salt in. Now, down here. Fucking slots that they have provided. Salt goes, when it dissolves about halfway, it can fit in that slot and stick the fucking valve open. This is what I put on there. A fucking pretzel. It's a fucking pretzel container from Walmart. The big fucking clear with a black lid. Get that motherfucker. Get you a torch and a screwdriver. Melt a bunch of fucking holes in that son of a bitch. Put it over this tube. Gotta get all the salt out when you do this. Put it over the fucking tube. Put the tube back down in there. And then it won't let fucking salt get in there and fucking hold that valve open. That's your fucking $1.57 fucking solution to a fucking $400 fucking problem. Sears, you fucking suck balls. You ought to give me a fucking job, or at least a fucking blow job. Thank you, I'm Bob Kevin. This has been episode 12 of This Motherfucking House. Have a good night. Oh, if you have any fucking questions about your Sears piece of shit, feel free to email me at stonethemahoneATgmail.com. That's STONETHEMAHONE. All one word, stonethemahone@gmail.com.